Your carry-on bag might be banned in 2025. Travelers, beware, your trusted carry-on might be banned in 2025. Let's dive into what's changing and how you can stay ahead. Airline regulations are changing in 2025. Some of your favorite carry-ons might no longer be allowed. Imagine you have a flight you are very excited about. Pack all your stuff in your favorite carry-on and go to the airport enthusiastically, only to be told your bag doesn't even qualify as a carry-on anymore. What will you do? You either pay the extra fees, check it in, or worse, leave it behind. You don't want to face the horrors of those last-minute stresses. But don't you get worried here. We have got you covered. Stick with us, because in this video we will break down to you the new airline regulations for 2025 and what's changing, which bags might be banned under new rules, how to avoid any last-minute surprises at the airport, expert packing tips to make sure your carry-on still flies with you, plus the best flight deals with baggage-friendly options exclusively from 7 Seas Holidays. Hence, before you ever plan to take a new flight, you must be prepared. Hit that like button to get started. New airline regulations for 2025. What's changing? First things first, let's discuss why airlines are making these changes in the first place. With years passing by, we have witnessed how things get bad whenever people try to stuff oversized luggage into overhead bins. Flight passengers keep struggling to find space, flight attendants scramble to rearrange bags, and in the worst-case scenario, flights even get delayed. Airlines have finally had enough, and big changes are coming. In 2025, major airlines and aviation authorities are implementing super strict carry-on rules. These rules will lead to reduced boarding time. No more time will be wasted due to trying to squeeze oversized bags into full bins. Ensure safety. An overloaded compartment can be too risky during turbulence. Prevent hidden baggage fees. Airlines are now shifting toward paid carry-ons only. Limit crowding in cabins. Flight gets more comfortable with less overhead bin space. Here's the shocking part. Some airlines are considering removing overhead bins entirely. That means you might be limited to just a small personal item. This brings the possibility that your carry-on suitcase might not even be an option in the future. So, what does that mean for your travel bags? Let's find out. What bags are affected by these new rules? Alright, now here is the main question. Which carry-ons are exactly getting banned and restricted? If you are planning to carry any of these bags, you might want to rethink your packing in 2025. 1. Oversized carry-on suitcases. Airlines are planning to shrink the size limits for overhead bags. If your luggage bag is too tall and oversized, you might want to check it in. 2. Hardshell suitcases. Although they are the most trendy, looking all chic and classy, they take up more space than other suitcases because they can't be compressed. Some airlines are looking forward to banning them, maximizing the bin space. 3. Smart luggage with non-removable batteries. You must know that many airlines oppose the lithium-ion batteries on board, but in 2025, any carry-on without a removable battery could be banned altogether. 4. Heavy carry-ons. Some airlines are now imposing strict weight limits, meaning if your bag is overweight it might just have to go into the cargo hold. 5. Expandable bags. We all have that one zipper bag that lets it expand, right? Well, if it exceeds the weight limits when expanded, it's no longer qualified for the flight. 6. Bulky backpacks and duffel bags. If they don't fit the new dimensions, they can be the reason for paying extra fees or being forced into checked baggage. Pro tip: if your airline allows both a carry-on and a personal item, make sure your item is compressed and still fits your essentials. Want a stress-free flight without a surprise baggage fees? We have got you covered. Check the link in description for exclusive flight deals. How to avoid last-minute airport surprises. We have in mind what is changing exactly. Here is how you can stay out of danger and ahead of the game. No one likes last-minute baggage surprises, and here's how you can avoid them. 1. Always know your airline's carry-on rules. Each airline has its own policies. Always check their rules and regulations before booking the flight. 2. Choose an easily compressed soft carry-on. Hard shells might end up getting banned, so it's safe to invest in a flexible lightweight bag that easily fits. 3. Pack smart and light. Opt for packing cubes. They help in compressing the clothes and avoiding overstuffing your bag. 4. Weigh your luggage at home. Don't take airport surprises lightly. Get a digital luggage scale and check the luggage weight before leaving the house. 5. Choose a bag with removable wheels and handles. Some new regulations will measure your bag's dimensions, and that will include wheels and handles both. Hence, choose the bags where these can be easily detached. 6. Know the smart luggage rules. If you have a carry-on with a built-in battery in it, then it must be removable. Travel hack. If you are flying a budget airline, try to go for a flight that includes a checked bag in the ticket price. It can be cheaper than paying extra fees at the airport. And yes, if you want hassle-free travel, without the stress of paying extra hidden fees, check out 7 Seas Holidays for luggage-friendly flight deals. Check out the link in the description. Conclusion: don't get caught off guard. And here you have it. Airline carry-on rules are changing in the year 2025, and your all-time favorite travel bag might not make the cut. Oops. Let's do a quick recap. New size and weight restrictions are being introduced by many airlines. Certain bags, like oversized suitcases, smart luggage with built-in batteries, and hard-shell cases might be banned. Some flights may even eliminate overhead bins, leaving you with just a small personal item. To avoid stress, make sure to check your airline's rules, pack smart, and choose the right luggage for your trip. Don't just sit and wait till the time of your flight to find out your bag is not even eligible to get on board. Start your planning now and stay ahead of the game by getting prepared for these new changes. Want stress-free flights with no baggage fees? Check out our website 7 Seas Holidays. Click on the link in the description and book your next trip hassle-free. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let us know what your go-to carry-on bag is like. Does it pass the eligibility test? Do you believe these new changes are for the best? Let us know in the comments.